The water's like never that high, not even when it rains a lot.
I wonder what it's right by Jimmy's house.
God, his backyard probably flooded.
It would suck if there was a flood and then a tornado and you were trapped inside your house.
I think they get the point that it's flooded.
No, look, it took out some embankment.
I want to find out where they took them though.
You might want to ask them then. Because there's somebody coming out. Look, they're gonna go ask.
You're only authorized to go down there if you live down there. Well, I can't even stop and ask them where the traffic is. So I guess we just